Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a survival plan that most people don't think about, and that is the healthcare survival plan. And no, I'm not talking about, we need to survive Obamacare. No, well, what I'm talking about is a healthcare survival plan in case you or your spouse or one of your children get sick. And that can also be extended to a parent as well, in case they don't have everything in place and you wind up having to take care of them. A lot of this is sometimes is called long-term health care, but it's not just long-term. It's, it could be something like you get in a car accident and you have broken bones and stuff and you're out of commission where you can't work for, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months before you get back on your feet. Do you have something in place to deal with the fact that you are out of circulation, as it will, and maintaining income for your family? Same thing with your spouse. And so you need to plan for these type of events coming around and set up a basic response, how you're going to do it, what you're going to do, and figure out what you need for your healthcare survival plan. All right. So if you still not sure what to do, there are several good videos out there that talk about this, and where you got doctors talking about it, you got former insurance people talking about it, about things to do that'll help cover everything and situate you and get you so you can get through this problem. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and grow some healthy food.